Archer, what are you doing? Are you painting? Let's see what you did. It's very nice. You need more paint? Where do you need more paint? Go ahead. Oh, what color?
It's pink.
Pink? There's no pink. I have purple. You want this one?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. More purple. You like that dark color? Okay. This one's green. Put it on the pumpkin. Ooh, nice. Very nice. You want Mommy to turn the pumpkin around so you can paint a different part? Here. Try that side. Don't eat it. Ooh, gross. It's paint. It's not food. Good job.
Green man.
That's blue.
That's blue.
Very good. That's purple. Is it fun? Don't eat it. It's not food. You can use both hands. Good job. Okay, touch the pumpkin now. Put it on the pumpkin. Ooh, don't put it on the...
Hey!
Huh?
Hey!
What about Ellie? Are you trying to paint Ellie on the pumpkin? That's fine. Hey, oh no, your clothes. Less on the clothes, more on the pumpkin.